G'day, Alex Collins with the Bendigo Sheep and Lamb Market Report for the 7th of June. There's about 14,000 lambs in Bendigo today, 10,000 crossbreds, 4,000 merinos, about 4,000 sheep yarded as well. Bit of a wintry type yarding. You know, lambs just starting to show the effects if they haven't been supplementary fed. So a little bit mixed the yarding in quality. And all weights and grades sort of represented, and I think, you know, big swing in cents a kilo terms, talking about different grades of quality and type depending on finish. So you know, yeah, heavy lambs, not a whole heap of weight yarded at the top end there, out to about $270. I think early on most of those lambs $720, $730, probably finished the sale $740, $750, a little bit dearer back late. Certainly, you know, that's up around sort of 32 or 3 or 4 kilos, that sort of rate. Come back under that, $740, $750 is probably, yeah, as I said, got a little bit dearer again, $750, $760 as the sale went on today. Trade lambs selling pretty well, absolutely compared to the export side of things. So, you know, rough trade lambs $780, $790, down at, you know, 23 to 24 kilos. If you get up into those, you know, those really nice 22 to 24 kilo trade lambs, big difference there. You could be seeing them, you know, 840, anywhere through to sort of 860 or 70, maybe 880 in places if they really suit. Not a lot of restocking lambs there, or the, you know, restocking type lambs. There's a lot of half yards and clean up sort of lambs being presented at the moment, so no sort of real genuine feeder orders are going there. Merino lambs up to about 235. They're similar to what they have been selling, sort of when you take skin into account, probably pretty similar to crossbred lambs on a cents a kilo basis. Sheep, certainly not as extreme as last week. I think we had the dearest sheep sale that anyone had basically seen all the way through, and anywhere probably the dearest in Australia last week by a fair clip, due to a bit of a clash at the top end of some sheep there. Certainly wasn't quite like it on the crossbred sheep today. You know, more back in that 220, 230 sort of area. Merino sheep out to a top of sort of 230. You know, good use 200 to 220. A lot of those sort of heavy trade to heavy use 170 through to 200, and you know, your lighter trade of your sheep, you know, 140 to 160. I think across the board there, you're probably 8 to 10 cheaper. In some places you'll be a little bit more, but that basically sums up what happened today at Bendigo. We'll catch up with you. Thanks very much.